All right, guys, Upper Deck 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. We got a 5-box break number 02. Thank you, everybody, for getting in on the 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. Let's roll through the team owners. We got Anaheim. Let's see something brightness-wise. Not sure if that tones down the screen a little bit better, guys. Is that better than as bright as it was? 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. We got Anaheim, Mad C. Arizona, J-Dog, Boston, Chris. Buffalo going to Scotty Mac. Calgary going to Lars. Carolina, Revs. Chicago, Steve-O Weevo. Avs, Mason Jar. Columbus, we got Michael S. Dallas, Revs. Detroit, DT. Edmonton, JTAC. Florida, Ryan. Kings, JTAC. Minnesota, Scotty M. Montreal, Jarek. NJD, JB. Nash going to Garrissey, a.k.a. Gerbeard. Isles going to Peter, a.k.a. IPF. Range going to Stickman. Ottawa, London. Fly going to Nikki D from the Bronx. Pittsburgh, Mad C. Sharks going to Matty C. Blues going to AT, a.k.a. Allen. Tampa Bay, Scotty M. Toronto, Lars. Vancouver, Mike H. Climbing up a hill. Capital, Stickman. Winnipeg, IPF. Vegas, Matty C. I turned down the brightness. I'm not sure if it's too dark, guys. Not sure if it looks too dark on the screen or it looks okay on the screen. Seemed like the light was so bright that it might have been hurting the focus. I'm not sure, so sometimes the lighting has a lot to do with it. So hopefully this still looks okay. If not, I can crank the light back up. Just read on Twitter, South Korea. Good luck, everybody. Thank you, guys. And we got Rage in the Tage Thompson. Number to 249 for STL. Rage in the Cage. And CJ Smith, Buffalo, $9.99. Rookie premiere for the Buff. Uh-oh. We got a Squiz rookie, 275, Will Butcher. We already know what his ancestors did. We can't hold Will responsible for it. Hence he's in hockey, though. And we got a Sub-Zero rookie. Very nice. I love the subs. Charlie McAvoy. Boston Bruins on the Mac Daddy. Oh, we got a Evgeny Svechnikov. Rookie auto number to 299 for Detroit Red Wings. Who knows if that's the truth, though, on that. Oh, I see what you're saying. And $12.99 Vadim Ship. Just hold your Vadim cards. Maybe he'll come back and blow it up. What's up with Nail Yakupov? How's he doing? Nobody even knows he's stuck in Siberia. Sidney Crosby sub. And we got a Glacial Graph auto. Dave Schultz, Philadelphia Fly. We got Davey. Philadelphia Fly going to Nikki D from the Bronx. Dave's not here, man. And rookie premieres, Robbie Russo, $12.99. And we got Alex Tuck, number to 249 for Vegas. Rookie premiere, 249. Mr. Tuck. Whoops. Jeez. Sorry, guys. My bad. This is the camera that has the short cord on it. Thinking about switching it out just for the cord reasons right now with the other one I have. Just one little slip of the elbow and boom, falls over. Yeah, it sucks having that happen. I'm just gonna plug in the other one after this break. Aiden Hill, $9.99 Arizona rookie. Aiden Hill. He's actually had to play. I'm like, he's actually had to play. And we got a rookie relic Jumbos, Caputo's favorite player, Ho-Sang. Number to 199. Also D-Jack's favorite. What up, Rogue? Melania. We got a Sub-Zero Joey Thornton. Going out to the Sharks. Melania gets the horn. And we got a nice rookie premier auto, Ivan Barbashev for the Blues, LTM. Last Team Mojo. We have another rookie, $12.99, Giovanni Fiore, Anaheim, ANH. You can still fly? Well, that's good. Are people wearing their mask in the airport, Rogie? We've got a rookie premier, Evgeny Svechnikov, number to 499. Yeah, I'll hook up the other camera in this light. And we got Kyle Capobianco, $9.99 for the Arizona Coyotes. He's in charge of one of the crews in Caputo's crew. Alex DeBrincat, rookie exquise. Number to 275 for CHI. All right, we need a superb. We need a massive fatty patch auto. I love superb scripts. Jack Eichel sub. Buffalo. Rinkside signings for the Maple Leafs, Felix Potvin, the Cat. Nice one for TOR, which is going to Lars. Uh-oh, gotta educate Melania. And we got Mackenzie Weegar, $9.99. Florida. It's funny, I can follow hockey a lot more. Not breaking. Sub-Zero rookie, Alex Kerfoot. We got a rookie premiere, Blake Coleman, $9.99, WPJ, New Jersey Devils, NJD. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Balsers. We got a Premier jersey, Nikita Sherbak. Orange sherbet going out to Montreal. And we're out of Hundies. I think there's some good rookies. Cale Makar is a stud. So is Quinn Hughes. He's a pimp. I think he's going to be long-term. Definitely. Cale as well. Victor Olofsson, too. He's going to be he already is a stud. Those guys already are. And they don't seem like they're the ones that are flying out of the gate, going to be bad later type guys either. Seems like they just naturally fit in. It's like they've already been there and it was no big deal. Sub-Zero rookie. Good luck, guys. Clayton Keller. Going to the Oats. Helen Keller's great-great-great-grandson. Oh. We got a Premier Rookie Auto 299 Colin White. Senatros. CJ Smith, double dip, $9.99. Rookie Premier for Buff again. That's a double dip on that. How'd that happen? We got Janne Kukkonen, $4.99 Rookie Premier for the Canes. Be nice to pull a Zion autographed basketball in that basketball break. We got Rookie Premier, $12.99, Marcus Sorensen for the Sharks. We do have a sachet. Set this up here for Exquisite Rookie 175, Clayton Keller. 115 out of 175. Jersey number. No, just joking. We have an autographed full-size basketball break in the store, random. Zion is in the product. Kobe Bryant, Ben Simmons, Julius Erving, Magic Johnson, Allen Iverson, McGrady. A lot of guys. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Just kind of a tough break, guys. Real tough. Sorry about that. Hopefully next time won't be so bad. Alright, thank you, everybody. Tons of breaks in the store. Ready to fill. We got lots of them. A lot of them. I'm going to change the... See, just as I was mentioning it, I'm going to change the camera out with the long cord. Only takes a second because it is being tripped over constantly. All right, thank you, everybody. Appreciate it, guys.